Welcome to my channel Global Car, your go-to place for the latest car reviews, news, and updates from around the world. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and join our community of auto enthusiasts. Today, let's take a closer look at the upcoming 2026 Jetour X70, a stylish and practical SUV that blends modern technology, comfort, and affordability in a way that's turning heads in the global market. From the outside, the Jetour X70 shows off a bold and confident design. The wide front grille, sleek LED headlights, and sculpted lines give it a premium presence on the road. Its sporty yet elegant profile is complemented by alloy wheels and a refined rear design with dynamic tail lamps, making it look far more expensive than its price tag suggests. Inside, the 2026 X70 is all about space and technology. With a roomy 3-row cabin, it can comfortably seat up to 7 passengers. The interior features a digital instrument cluster, a large infotainment touchscreen with smartphone connectivity, and high-quality materials throughout. Comfort is at the heart of this SUV, with ergonomic seating, ambient lighting, and plenty of cargo space for family trips or everyday use. Under the hood, the Jetour X70 is expected to come with efficient turbocharged engine options, balancing power with fuel economy. Advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and multiple airbags, make it a reliable choice for modern drivers. Overall, the 2026 Jetour X70 stands out as a budget-friendly SUV that doesn't compromise on style, features, or performance. It's a strong contender in its segment and perfect for families seeking value with a premium touch. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next one.